Hi, I'm Danny Lipford. You know, I get a lot of questions from folks about low-E glass, so thanks to Geldwin Windows and Doors, we're here to help answer them. Low-E glass helps homes stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, helping with energy efficiency. People often ask, will the low-E coating scratch? No, because the coating is on the inside of the glass. Will it fade furniture? No, it actually helps protect against UV fading. Does it require special cleaning? No, again, you simply clean them like you would any other window or patio door. So, what makes them different? Well, the low-E coating reflects heat back to its source. When it's 20 degrees outside, a typical double pane window with clear glass will be 51 degrees on the inside. With a low-E coating, the inside temperature goes up to 58 degrees, and with an upgrade low-E like Geldwin's low-E 366, that jumps up to 61 degrees. In general, low-E glass offers more protection against heat transfer and fading than standard glass. Low-E glass is a major factor in windows meeting Energy Star qualification, and that means they meet or exceed the minimum energy efficiency criteria for the climate region where you live. Now look for more videos on other energy efficiency tips brought to you by Geldwin Windows and Doors at geldwin.com/tips.